This video was inspired by entrepreneur and motivational speaker Darren Hardy. We listen to Darren Hardy every day to kickstart our morning. Darren was asked by a subscriber who said, "Darren, how do we stop people from quitting? As leaders, how do we stop people from quitting?" And Darren quite simply said, "You can't."
Darren goes on to say, we are all responsible for our own choices. And as leaders, we can't want success more than people want it for themselves. We are captains of the ship, and we can encourage and support from the shore. But when it gets right down to it, people are responsible for their own actions.
Darren pointed out something that really resonated with us. He said, when you really think about it, we're all entrepreneurs. We're all independent and self-directed. He then went on to say, most people believe that when we work for someone else, that's far less risky. But really, when you think of it, when we work for someone else, we're relying on their good favor and their sound business decisions to keep us employed. We are putting the security of our family and our own security in the hands of someone else.
When we really stop to think, no company is really going to take care of us. We are the CEO of our own lives and our own destiny. If you're tired of giving up control to someone else and would like to be in control of your own life and your own destiny, we would like to talk.
Bob and I have reserved Tuesday, August 6th and Thursday, August 8th to speak with those of you who are really serious about starting an online business. Those of you who are tired of giving away control and want to take it back and chart your own destiny. You will find a link below this video where you can book a convenient time for us to just have a chat. Please take the time when you do that to answer a few simple questions where we will learn a little bit more about what brought you to this place, and we can make maximum use and value of the time we spend together. We look forward to speaking with you next week. Bye for now.
Bye for now.